This I'm not going to settle. See, that was an extreme case. The other case where I directed marriage to be happened. 17 years and 11 months was the age of the victim on the date of the incident. One thing like that. That is why I said I granted interim bail for marriage. This is gross. No, sir. I'm not going to spell. That Tondre illa, additional SPP, you just seek instructions as to how you rehabilitate or take care of the child. Victim compensation ಏನಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ I will direct.
Yes.
But I am not going to settle this issue. So,
The matter is evidence complete agi today it is posted for main arguments, my lord.
7 ನಲ್ಲಿ Ravishankar, that is different ಇದಲ್ಲ. Ravishankar, where is the DD? ಆಯ್ತು, list the matter on Tuesday in the fresh matters. ನಿಮ್ದು ಪೋಕ್ಸೋ ಹೇಳಿ. Where, sir? Where is the certificate of marriage, DNA?
Certificate of marriage.
DNA.
DNA.
What was the age at the time of the incident of the victim and the accused? 14 years. What was your age? 23. Maybe, sir. 14 years, who gave them in marriage? Yeah, who gave them? Who were those people who gave in marriage at 14 years? Mate yavaga agitte? What, on the date of the incident, what was the age of the victim?
14 years.
When she became pregnant, what was her age? Have you any sense? And you want me to settle this? ಯಾವ ಸ್ಟೇಜ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ?
Arguments ಇದೆ ಇವತ್ತು before this.
I am not going to settle this, sir.
Also recorded.
You are not 14 years child. And how can you ask for settlement? This is horrendous. And now what is your age? Your age, sir. 29 years. You were 23 when you committed that act on a 14-year-old child. How can you be spared in law, sir? Marriage may have happened. That will compensate other way to the child or the victim. That law will take care. I will not spare you by settlement, not at all. 14 ವರ್ಷದ ಮಗು. Nothing doing. This I am not going to settle. See, that was an extreme case. The other case where I directed marriage to be happened. 17 years and 11 months was the age of the victim on the date of the incident. One thing like that. That is why I said I granted interim bail for marriage. This is gross. But he better be in custody. In relationship, they were in love.
Sister.
They are projecting love, is it?
Sister's blood.
Of a 14-year-old child with a 23-year-old boy. There are cases, yes, 20 years, 17 years. Knowing full well you have done everything. And at stage of evidence, I am not going to interfere. No. We will compensate what should be done with the child and the mother, what should be taken care. Law will take care. We will direct. Not this man cannot escape on this. We should know that she's whatever it is, she's a child. 14 years you indulge in section 4 and 6 of POCSO Act. This I'm not going to settle. If you want to pass an order, I'll pass an order. No problem. I'm not going to settle this. Yes, Gamal? No, this is not a case to be settled. No, Nishant. Those are cases where I know what I have done. But true, what to do? You have bought that situation on a 14-year-old girl. These things don't project. Appropriately, the court should be directed that the state should give something, and to the victim compensation, they should do it. This man should not be spared. This is not a case of love, not a case of Consensual act, not a case of, where is 164 statement of the victim? ಏನು ಅದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ? ಫೋರ್ಸಿಬಲ್ ಅಂತಾನೆ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಇನ್ನೇನು? No, sir, I am not going to spell. That ತೊಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲ, additional SPP, you just seek instructions as to how you rehabilitate or take care of the child. Victim compensation ಏನು ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ I will direct.
Yes.
But I am not going to settle this issue. The learned counsel for the petitioner has moved this matter on the score that the parties to the list have entered into a settlement and the petitioner who is languishing in the custody should be released on account of quashment of the proceedings. Ammatyan jail idare ante? That's so bad body. So it should be quashed.
357A. 357A victim compensation scheme.
That is what, that is there under the victim. I have written many orders in GM. ಅದು ಎನ್ಹಾನ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಈಗ. It is, I think 5 lakhs or 6 lakhs ಇರಬೇಕು. Then other things also will answer later. Withdraw ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ ಇದು? Learned counsel appearing for the petitioner who had moved this matter on account of a compromise arrived at between the family of the victim and the petitioner. The victim at the time of the occurrence of the incident was 14 years and the petitioner 23. Therefore, the compromise was not, therefore this court is of the opinion that no compromise can be entered into at that juncture. This court is the opinion that the proceedings cannot be quashed on account of a compromise being entered into between the parties. At that juncture, the petitioner seeks leave of this court to withdraw the petition. Disposed as withdrawn. Amala, if there is any problem to the victim, you move the matter. Yes. I know it's a situation that is difficult, but no. 14 ವರ್ಷಕ್ಕೆ you can't be. Not correct. Yes. What consent, 6 years magu ಆಯ್ತು, what consensus you are projecting for a girl of the age of 14? ಆಯ್ತು, ಎಕ್ವಿಟ್ ಆಗ್ಲಿ, on merits ಎಕ್ವಿಟ್ ಆದ್ರೆ ನೋಡೋಣ. I am not going to close it by